Good morning children. Let us continue chapter 8. Today we will see LCM by prime factorization method. What is LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple. Now today, by seeing this example, we will know how to find out the LCM by prime factorization method. First, question number 1 is 12 and 18. It is your example. So just I am explaining this example. First you will write this 12 and here 18. Now 12 is even number, so lowest prime number is 2. We will divide it by 2. 2 6 ja 12. Then 2 3 ja 6. Then 3 is not divisible by 2, so 3 will go by 2. 3 1 ja 3. Next 18 is here. 18 is also even number. It is divisible by 2. So we will take smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 9 ja 18. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will take 3. 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 1 ja 3. Okay. After this prime factor we will write like this. 2 into 2 into 3. And this 18. 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will write the LCM of 12 and 18. Okay. Now look here children, for finding LCM, what we will see? We will see that we have to see that maximum number of times prime number is repeated. How many times it is repeated? We will see here. Look here. This 2 is repeated 2 times here. Maximum number of times. Okay. And this 3 is repeated 2 times. Understood? So maximum time is 2 is repeated 2 times. And 3 is also repeated 2 times. So 2 times we will write 2 and 2 times we will write 3. Understood? Now we will multiply it. 2 2 ja 4. Okay. And this 3 3 ja 9. Then 4 9 ja 36. So LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Understood? Now let us start question number 1. That is your exercise 8.6. Number 1 is MCQ. First we will solve MCQ. Question number 1. The LCM of 10 and 100 is. We have to find out the LCM of 10 and 100. So first we will find out the prime factor of 10 and 100. We will take 2 smallest prime number. 2 5 ja 10. Now 5 1 ja 5. Again 2, when you will divide it 100 by 2, 2 5 ja 2 5 ja 10, then 0 0 ja 0. Then again 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Now it is not divisible by 2, so we will take 5. 5 5 ja 25, then 5 1 ja 5. Now it is the prime factor of 10 and 100. Now you will write in multiplication form. 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now we will write here LCM of 10 and 100. Now again you will see maximum times numbers, how many times it is repeated. Now first you will see 5. 5 is repeated 2 times here, maximum times, and 2 is repeated 2 times. So we will write 2 into 2, then 5 into 5. Now 2 2 ja 4, 5 5 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. So it is the LCM of the given number, which is your option number B. So you will put tick mark in B. Understood? Next question is question number 2. Find the LCM of 4, 23 and 5. 3 numbers are here, 4, 23 and 5. So here, first we will find out the prime factor. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4. Then 2 1 ja 2. Now here, 23 is a prime number. It is not divisible by any number. It will divisible by only 23. So 23 1 ja 23. And 5 is divisible by 5 1 time. 5 1 ja 5. Now write the prime factor of 2. 2 into 2. Then 23. 23 into 1, then 5, that is 5 into 1. Now here not any number is repeated many times. 23 is only one time, 5 is repeated one time, 2 is repeated only two times. So we will write the LCM of 4, 23 and 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23 into 5. Now multiply it. 2 2 ja 4 and 23 into 5. 5 3 ja 15. 5 1 carry. 5 2 ja 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 4 5 ja 20. 0 2 carry. 4 1 ja 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then again 4 1 ja 4. So 460 is the answer, which is your answer number A. So you will put tick mark in A. Understood how to find out the MCQ. Now next question is question number 3. In number 3, the LCM of 30, 20 and 25. 30, 20 and 25. Now we will take 2, smallest prime number, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. If you can't divide orally, you can divide this number like this. 2 1 ja 2, then 2 5 ja 10. Now quotient you will write it down and you will proceed this process. Understood? So again, it is not divisible by 2, so we will take 3, 3 5 ja 15, then 5 1 ja 5. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 10 ja 20, then 2 5 ja 10, then 5 1 ja 5. Keep in your mind, children, we are writing quotient now, dividing and writing the quotient in this place. 5 5 ja 25, then 5 1 ja 5. Now we will write the prime factor of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5, this number, and 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Then 25 is 5 into 5. Now again we will see the maximum number of prime number. LCM of 30, 20 and 25 is equal to. The maximum number we will see. Here 2 times 2 is, here 1 time. So we will see 2 times 2 and 5 is 2 times and only 1 time 3. So we will write 2 into 2, then 5 into 5 into 3. Now multiply it. 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 2 2 ja 4. Then 5 5 ja 25, then this 3. 4 into 25 is 100 into 3 is left. We will write here 3 into 100 is 300. So your answer is 300, which is your option number D. So you will put tick mark in D. Next question is question number 4 in MCQ. Question number 4. LCM of 26, 39 and 1. 26, 39 and 1. So here 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Then 13 1 ja 13. Now it is not divisible by 2, so we can take 3. In 3 table 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. 13 is divisible by 13. 13 1 ja 13. And we can write 1 1 ja 1. So 26 is equal to 2 into 13. 39 is equal to 3 into 13 and 1 is equal to 1 into 1. Now LCM of 26, 39 and 1 is equal to, now here 13 is only one time it is repeated, then 2 is only one time and 3 is also one time. And if you will write 1, when you will multiply any number by 1, the number itself will come. Then 13 into 2 3 ja 6. 13 6 ja 78. So it is the answer, which is your option number C. So you will put tick mark in C. Now next day we will see question number 2, LCM by the prime factorization method. Thank you.